और मैं भी कुछ बात रखूंगा आपके समझ। पूरे देश भर में there are 1700 parties in the country और 1700 पार्टियां हैं। Some of them are national, some of them are state, regional parties. And BJP is the only party which we can say with the confidence that the party has a ideology. हमारी पार्टी की विचारधारा है और आइडियोलॉजी के आधार पर चलने वाली एकमात्र पार्टी दैट इज भारतीय जनता पार्टी। और जब भी किसी राजनीतिक दल का गठन होता है, बनता है, तो एक उद्देश्य के लिए, एक आइडियोलॉजी को के आधार पर काम करने के लिए ही दल का गठन होता है, होना भी चाहिए। Our ideology is एकात्म मानववाद, इंटीग्रल ह्यूमनिज्म, और our लक्ष्य, गोल इज अंत्योदय। इंटीग्रल ह्यूमनिज्म का मतलब हुआ कि हम अपने बारे में नहीं, जब अपने बारे में सोचते हैं तो we have to think about the neighbors also, about the society also। हम अपने जैसा पूरे मानव समाज के बारे में सोचते हैं। This is the ideology given by पंडित दीनदयाल उपाध्याय जी। जब अपने बारे में, समाज के बारे में we will think about ourselves, the society also, then we have to think about the entire सृष्टि। पर्यावरण के बारे में भी सोचना है, क्योंकि अपने बारे में सोचना नहीं है। अपने बारे में सोचेंगे सब, you have got a lot of wealth with you, but outside there hue and cry, उनके पास पैसा न रहे, उनका ग्रोथ न हो, तो will not be successful। हम शांति से भी नहीं रह सकते, will not live in a peace। This is our ideology, and we have to think not about our country, we have to think about the neighboring country also। जैसे आपने देखा कि हमारे यहाँ सब कुछ ठीक है, पाकिस्तान अगर डिस्टर्ब करता है तो भी हम ठीक नहीं रह सकते। अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी जी ने कहा था कि हम दोस्त को कभी भी नहीं बदल सकते, पड़ोसी को कभी भी नहीं बदल सकते। तो पड़ोसी तो हमारा नेबरिंग कंट्री तो रहेगा रहेगा, तो उसके बारे में भी सोचना है। समाज के बारे में we have to think about the society, about the neighboring country, about the environment, about the entire सृष्टि। That is the main ideology and the framework of foundation on which the Bharatiya Janata Party is work over the years। And the second is our goal, why we are working in the BJP। Any government, whether in India or Bahar or any country, their priority is to see they work for the welfare of the people। Prime motto क्या है? They work for the welfare of the people, and that is our goal also। So that you can see in the reflection of the Modi ji, 7 years is completed, inclusive growth। Can we think without taking the 70-80% population of the country, without taking how growth is possible? It's not possible। Can one imagine that after 70 years of the independence, 40 crore people, they were not having even a bank account। 40 crore of the Indians, they were not having the bank account under the leadership of Narendra Modi ji। उन्होंने सभी बैंकों से कहा कि now go and open the account of every individual in the country, so that whatever the amount is sent to them, that should reach to them directly, without any cut। We remember when the Rajiv Gandhi was there, he said, we send 100 rupees from center, and 15 rupees that goes to the real beneficiaries, and 85% that is siphoned off. या करप्शन के लिए जाता है. Whatever the money is given, even during the Corona pandemic, 100% went to the account of the beneficiaries. 20 crore women during the stress period of Corona, COVID, they were given 500 installment 1500 rupees to their account. 8 crore farmers were given the money in their account. Then again the Vyang widow, every section of the society they were given. You imagine when imagine just अगर उनके बैंक अकाउंट नहीं खुले होते तो during the COVID when everything was stopped, and हमने भी कभी सुना नहीं था, this was not beyond imagination, that the all buses, train, plane, aircraft, vehicles across the world will be stopped. At that time, by pushing one button, and that Congress party was laughing at the time when the account were open. Why Modi ji have opened the account? Because Congress party leaders, they are not visionary at all. And sometimes I feel that the regional party leaders, they are also not visionary. But that account, those accounts were opened 2014, and the Corona pandemic, by pushing one button, everyone got the money in their account. Imagine, because intellectuals are there, industrialists are there here also. Just imagine if the funds were not transferred in their account at that problem, at that period in the Corona pandemic, lockdown 1, then what would have been the कैसी सर्कमस्टांस होता, UN क्राई होता, लोग आपस में मारामारी करते, सड़कों पे हम निकल नहीं सकते थे, ऐसा अशांति इस प्रकार की होती. लेकिन वो क्या, तो आफ्टर द इंडिपेंडेंस the poor and majority of the sections, they were not having the gas connection, they were not having the water connection, and so on. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, lot of the basic facility, the poor they were not having. Now gradually they are given with a very speed. Swachh Bharat is complete, account is open, and now they are giving the priority that every Indian should get the drinking water, good quality of drinking water with a tap. In the city we know the person who you can afford, you have the RO system, you have the aquaguard system, but the person who cannot afford, they are bound to drink this polluted water.
ఛానల్ ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. మా ఛానల్ అప్డేట్స్ నోటిఫికేషన్స్ కోసం ఇక్కడ కనిపిస్తున్న బెల్ ఐకాన్ ని క్లిక్ చేయండి.